Welcome back to Car Reviews Auto, where we bring you the latest insights on the newest cars hitting the road. Today, we're diving into the performance review of the 2026 Tesla Model 3, and this year's version pushes boundaries even further than before. Tesla has refined the Model 3 significantly for 2026, with performance upgrades that make it more responsive, efficient, and enjoyable to drive. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the dual-motor all-wheel drive system remains a highlight. But now, it's been recalibrated for better torque distribution and quicker acceleration. The result, a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds on the performance trim. That's sports car territory in a sleek electric sedan. The throttle response is incredibly sharp, and the instant torque from the electric motors provides a thrilling launch every time. Whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking at speed, the Model 3 delivers confident and consistent power. The acceleration feels seamless, and thanks to software optimizations, it's more controlled and efficient than ever. Handling has also taken a leap forward. Tesla has retuned the suspension system for 2026, giving the Model 3 a firmer yet more comfortable ride. On twisty roads, it stays planted with minimal body roll, and the steering, while still slightly numb, feels more direct and responsive. The optional track mode offers more customization for driving dynamics, making it suitable for those who want to push the car to its limits. Regenerative braking has been improved for smoother transitions, and Tesla's one-pedal driving system continues to be one of the best in the segment. It's intuitive and takes only minutes to get used to, making city driving easier and more engaging. Range is another area where the 2026 Model 3 shines. With an improved battery pack and better thermal management, it now delivers up to 390 miles on a full charge, depending on the variant. Even in real-world driving conditions, the Model 3 holds up well with consistent efficiency numbers. With over-the-air updates still a key feature, Tesla continues to refine the Model 3's performance after you've bought it, keeping it at the forefront of EV technology. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is more than just a daily driver, it's a high-tech, high-performance machine that proves electric cars can be thrilling without compromise. Thanks for watching Car Reviews Auto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for